This is a 24 by 36 inch mirror. It's adjustable so you can angle it down, up, depending on the height you want. For your bathroom, kitchen, dining room, bedroom, wherever you need to have a mirror in your studio. We're going to show you how simple this is and easy to install and show you how it comes. This is a mirror, rectangular, black, adjustable. It measures in the height 35 inches. It measures in the width, the mirror alone, 23.5 inches, and it measures about 25 inches from gimbal to gimbal. Now, if we open up and show you the mirror itself, it's protected with the film behind there. We're going to go hang this up and show you what it's all about. You get a hanging template that has a level, the gimbals for left and right side, the backing to the gimbal left and right side, a screwdriver Phillips, screws, bolts, nuts, anchors, and tool. The screwdriver handle, the stem goes in, the socket goes over the nut, and counterclockwise, clockwise tightens and loosens the nut. This is the mount for the mirror, the cap cover that screws on, the cap that is going to slide over this way. It takes a little bit of turning and forcing to free it. Over here there's a notch and a hole, as you can see, and it'll come apart. Very simple. You have keyholes that you're going to line up, place on, and the cap over and secure as you cover. We're going to hang our mirror, something like this. We're going to make a mark, hang our bracket. We have a template, the black bracket, over, slide down, place on the cover, place your template on, take a measurement, and lock down. Before sliding on your gimbal, you're going to now put your mirror up. Place the bolt on. Put the other bolt in. And lock down. Tighten down the bolts the best you can. Put the kit in. Washers, nylon nut, tool, hard to turn, screwdriver in, and adjust. And you're going to repeat for the other side until you're happy with the pressure and the stiffness you want your angle. Put on the screw ends. Both cap ends are there, and you're going to do your best to grab each of the ends, peel away, and you have your mirror all hooked up. Bathroom, vanity, mirror, living room, kitchen, wherever you need to put a mirror so you can simply say, hey, you know, it's a mirror that will last a long time, easy to clean, got a nice beveled edge, 24 by 36 inches. It has a adjustable, so you could adjust it to the angle you want. Doesn't shine in your eyes, and it sits nice and tall, a nice large mirror. So if you're looking for a mirror to dress up wherever you need to have one, I hope this product may be right for you.